Greetings, greetings, greetings. Hey, you don't know, say big people can tell lie, big old bare face lie. A leader for religious institution and political institution. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time if click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, so that you will not miss none of what are going right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 28 from verse 11 to verse 15. Same time them a go deso. Some of the guard them go in at the town, go tell the head priest them everything we happen. After that, the head priest them meet up with the elder them and cook up one plan. Them give the soldier them one whole heap of money and say to them, say, at this only fi tell everybody say. Him follow them, come in at the night and come thief him body when we went asleep. If the governor hear that story, we will work it out and make sure, say, uno no get in and no trouble. So, them take the money and do it and tell them fi do. And people still attack that Toria, monks, the Jew them, up to the day. I God all this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.